Here's what you need to know about what is SDN. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Software-defined networking, SDN, separates the control plane from the data plane in network devices. Instead of each switch or router making its own routing decisions, a central SDN controller manages the entire network. This makes networks more flexible, programmable, and easier to manage at scale. Key concept: control versus data plane. Traditional networks combine control, decision-making, and data, packet forwarding, in each device. SDN moves control to a central software controller, leaving devices to just forward packets. Key concept: Centralized SDN Controller. The SDN controller has a global view of the network. Administrators program network behavior through the controller instead of configuring each device individually. Key concept: Northbound and Southbound APIs. Northbound APIs connect the controller to applications and management tools. Southbound APIs, like OpenFlow, connect the controller to network devices. Key concept: network programmability. SDN allows networks to be configured and changed through software. No need to log into each device. This speeds up deployments and reduces human error. Let's look at the full breakdown. Application layer, business apps, network services, uses northbound APIs. For example, firewalls, load balancers. Control layer, SDN controller, central decision-making brain. For example, Open Daylight ONUS. Infrastructure layer, physical virtual switches and routers. Forward packets per controller rules, uses Southbound APIs, OpenFlow. Here's a real-world example. A large data center uses SDN to manage thousands of virtual machines. When a new VM spins up, the SDN controller automatically updates all switch rules across the data center in seconds. Without SDN, a network admin would have to manually configure each switch, a process that could take hours. Quick recap before you go. 1. SDN separates the control plane, decisions, from the data plane, forwarding. 2. A central SDN controller manages the entire network from one place. 3. Northbound APIs connect the controller to applications. Southbound APIs connect to devices. 4. OpenFlow is the most common southbound protocol used by SDN controllers. 5. SDN makes networks programmable, flexible, and faster to configure. That's what is SDN covered. Exam tip: remember, SDN =sign control plane separated from data plane. The controller handles decisions, switches just forward. OpenFlow is the key southbound protocol. It will appear on the exam. Next up, what is NFV? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.